Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the phone number of your Yubo account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can simply see on my screen that I'm logged into my Yubo account, and if you really want to change your phone number that you had used previously for creating this account, and because of any reasons you want to change it, all you have to do is first of all logged in just like this, alright, and then tap on this profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. This will get you to your own profile just like this. Now what you have to do is tap on this gear icon on the top right corner of the screen again. This will take you to various options of setting with account, safety and privacy, and lots of them. Just tap on account on the top of the list. Alright, you do have an option of name, birthday, gender, username, phone number, email, and change password. So simply tap on phone number. Now you have an option of if you want to really change your number, you can tap on change, and if you don't want to do it, you can tap on cancel. I'm simply going to tap on change. Alright guys, now I have an option of changing my phone number, so I'm going to keep my very new number that I want to use. After I'm done, I'm going to tap on this yellow floating icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. So I will get a code on my phone number guys, so I'm going to wait for it. Alright, I do have a code on my mobile phone, and I'm simply going to tap on this. This is from my next mobile phone. And you can see it has been inserted. And okay guys, I have simply changed my phone number. You can see that my phone number has been changed. Alright, and this is my home page back again. So this is how you do it. This is how you change the phone number of your Yubo account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.